Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today I'm coming live to share with you the study plan for AFM for September 2025 examination. Friends, I'm already going live every Monday from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. doing a premium mentoring where all the students who are a part of the premium mentoring are able to clear all their doubts with me. So if you want to enroll for this premium mentoring program, you can click on the link below. Right now, I'm not worried more about that. I'm focusing more on the study plan that we need to have in the upcoming for the upcoming examination. Friends, I made a very simple plan. 8 weeks. That is all you have to invest. Every single day, you have to study AFM for 2 hours to 3 hours maximum. So my first request to all of you is please fix a time. This time can be either right night 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. or it can be in the morning from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. It depends upon you. But keep 2 hours every single day for AFM. In this 2 hours, you can easily cover the entire AFM in a short duration of 8 weeks. Friends, if you are a part of the premium mentoring, I will offer you my free ebook. There are two books mainly. One is the ODBE book. The full form of ODBE is one day before the examination. Second book is the mastery book. I'll be providing you these two books. If you are able to invest 3 to 4 hours every day, you can cover both ODBE and mastery. Mastery book contains 400 plus latest relevant exam questions. I can tell you one thing, beyond what I take in the mastery book, nothing will come in the examination. ODBE book is a compressed book. Less questions, maximum concept coverage. So that way you will be able to cover both of these areas in a duration of 4 hours. But you have other subjects to study. You will have FR to study. You might have audit to study also. In that case, it may not be possible for you to spend 4 hours. In that case, you study only the ODBE book. Less time, you get maximum result. Plus, normally friends, from my past experience, you can ask any of your friends who have attended my class before. If you do the ODBE book properly 2 times, okay, it can be done in 2 hours per day duration. You can easily get through the examination and score 50 plus, or many students have also scored 70 plus. But that also depends on the exam. Sometimes the paper will be average. If the paper is average, you can score 70 plus. But if the paper gets tough, you can still score between 50 to 60. This is something what I'm telling you based on my past experience. Because in the ODB book, we cover everything. We don't leave much, but we don't do repeated questions. One time we will do only one question. So friends, here I'm coming down and I'm discussing the study plan now. Week 1 starts with something easy. Friends, in my study plan, I have made one thing very clear, that we will study in such a way that in lesser time we should be able to get more marks. So I have made the plan in such a way that every 1 hour you invest in the beginning, you get more marks. So suppose you end up, not learning the last part, you can still score 70 to 80% of the, you can still cover 70 to 80% of the topics in the minimum time that is possible. All right. So start with bond valuation and share valuation. Week 2, you go for portfolio management. Week 3, mutual funds. Week 4, mergers, then and business valuation. Week 5, different types of capital budgeting. Friends, by the time you learn this, you are actually covered 70% marks of the examination. Are you clear with this part? Along with this, if possible, do the theory also. Okay, I'm telling this plus theory. All right. Then you have forex and derivatives left. That you can put it in week 6, week 7, week 8. By doing so, you will be able to do the 30 marks in the last 3 weeks, 70% marks in the first weeks. Okay. Theory, I would recommend you do part by part, or you can invest some time in week 1 itself, keep one Sunday, full day. There is a free theory marathon that is available in my app. It's charged at only 99 rupees. You can always buy that. It will cover the entire theory and you can at least score the 20 marks easily from an examination perspective. I hope everybody is clear with this, friends. So let's start studying together and let's score good marks. Whatever support you need, I'm always available on WhatsApp. You can message me. And here are some tips that I'm sharing with all of you. Try learning for 2 to 3 hours daily rather than giving 10 hours in a one day. That will not work. Utilize the sleep technique. Friends, sleep technique, you can just Google YouTube in my name, you will find it. It's a technique where if you study the topic before sleeping, it will have a more effective result. You will retain the data more in your mind than doing it during the middle part of the day. All right. Last lesson, repetition is very, very crucial. So if you are doing something, repeat the same thing at least 2 times. One time you do, it will never etch in your mind. Do it again, you will get much better results. So with this, we can very, very easily clear all these topics and you can score very good marks, friends. I will also be coming soon with a free mentoring program. Right now, the premium mentoring program is going on. So if possible, join for the premium mentoring or sit and do a self-study and complete all your topics. I am with you. Study well. We will win together. Thank you so much.